Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it. So today what we're going to do is I've got my boyfriend's little sister here. She's going to do my makeup. She's only 7. So yeah, we're just going to get straight into the video. Like I said, if you do like it, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So off we go. She doesn't know anything. She's basically just going to go with what she thinks and then we'll see how it turns out. So what do you think's first?
This.
And what's that? Show the camera. This is just the Lasting Perfection foundation. And it's in the shade, let me see. It doesn't actually say what shade it's in. But yeah, it's one of the lightest shades that they have got anyway. Go on, so what do you do? Just put it wherever you want. I'm not going to tell you. I'll put my hair up as well. Go on. You're doing it right. Watch out, it'll come out quite fast. There we go. Now what are you going to do with it? Make sure they can see us. Make sure you do the other side. And I'm going to blend it all in. Rub it across my head, rub it in. Don't be scared, just rub it. You done? What's next? So I just leave that there. What's next? This is the foundation, guys. Concealer. So we're going to go in with the Cover and Conceal MUA. And this is in the shade, look, I think this is the lightest one. I don't think they have that many shades, but yeah, quite pale. And where are you going to put that? Under my eyes. Go on then. Okay. Yeah. Just have her eye. That's where she's put it. And what we're going to blend that in with. Beauty blender. The next one, what was the hair on that? There we go. Done. That's that blended in. And what we're going to go with next. Powder. Watch how it'll go everywhere. There we go. And where are we putting that?
On your face.
Go on then. Put it wherever you think. There we go. Done with that? Okay. Put that away. What we're going to go with next. She has got everything here laid out, so that's where she's picking from. So she's going in with this. This is the MAC bronzer and highlight. This is from, if any of you guys know, this is from Avon. This is in the shade, it's just called Dual Glow Cheek Colour and Highlighter. It doesn't actually have a shade on there, but yeah, that's that. Which side you going in with? The dark side. Okay. And where are we putting that? Oh. If you can't hear outside, guys, it's because it's raining and hailstoning, but it is. It's trying to snow here where we are. You done with that one? Yeah. This is the bronzer. Next, blush. Go on then. Where's that going? Yep. There's some on there. Where are we putting that? Just below the cheeks? On the cheeks? There's the blusher. It's quite a lot of blusher on there. What we're going in with next? Mascara. Do you want me to put that on?
I'll try.
I'll try. Watch my eyes. Oh, close them. Okay, do you want me to do it? Oh. Oh. Right, that's the mascara. This was the Total Temptation Maybelline. Next, highlighter. So this is the Kiko, one of the Kiko eyeshadows. It's in the shade 02. It's like a champagne shade. And where are we putting this? Where are we putting it? Watch the camera. You done, or do you want more? Done? Okay. This is the highlighter. And lipstick. Let's just tell them what it is. So this is an Avon lipstick again. It's a matte one. So this is in the shade Au Natural. Oh, just put down a little bit. If you guys live in the UK, you'll know how bad the weather is at the minute as well. Done? Yeah. Lipstick. Okay. Is that it? Finished? Yeah. Okay. This is the finished look then, guys. I hope you like it. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Thank you.